So in the last video, we finally moved to our new home. And now, it's time to make it ours. This is the start of a new series of redecorating, styling, and making sure that this home is exactly what we want it to be. Woo! Starting of course with Skylar's room because she deserves a magical space of her own. What can you say? Are you excited? We're Nat, Max, and Skylar. Hello family, let's just move into our new home. We've got big ideas to make this place truly ours. But here's the challenge. Where do we even begin? Should we tackle everything ourselves? And how long will it take to bring these ideas to life? We're about to find out. Why start with Skylar's room? We feel like most of the house is actually functional, so even if we have our old furnitures there or it doesn't fit that space, we feel like we can still use that space to what it's for. Like for example, the living room, we can still use the couch, we can still use the TV. But in terms of Skylar's room, she didn't have her own room before, so we're starting from scratch. We don't have a bed for her, we don't have any furnitures. So we think it's a great room to start with. And two, I think it's about time. She's been bunking with Max and I ever since she was about under a year old. And I think it's time to start growing her into her own room. We know that it's going to take a while for her to get used to it. That's why we want to start early.
So what is the plan with Skylar's room? While we were searching for a home, we mentioned that I wanted it to be more modern and Nat wanted it to be more tropical. So modern and tropical elements will be in Skylar's room as well. But whenever we ask her, she insists that it should be a pink room.
Pink room!
So obviously we can design this ourselves, but there's a lot of options out there of getting interior designs and decorations. And we sort of just recalled that we really love IKEA furnitures. So we looked around IKEA if there's an option that they could design this room for Skylar. And it turns out there is a service from IKEA. So we get the basic design service from IKEA, which gives us a 2-hour appointment with an official designer from IKEA. And in the beginning, we weren't sure how this was gonna go, but it was affordable, so we thought we'd book the basic service and see how it goes. And for the record, this isn't an IKEA ad. I mean, it would be amazing if it was, but I think Max and I, we just really love IKEA as a whole. Ready? So today is going to be a pretty big day for this little one because we actually booked a IKEA design appointment. So we're gonna be meeting with a designer from IKEA. We have the measurements, the dimensions, and everything that we need. And I think a small idea on the theming. So we're really excited. Hello, hello, hello.
Hi.
I'm an interior designer from Canada, so I'm more francophone, so but I understand English, no problem. So how can I help you today for a project? It's a basic appointment. So how can I help you?
Yeah, so we recently moved into a new house, and then we're trying to like one by one design the house per room. And I think this one for this appointment is going to be for her room. Like the general design of the home, we're gonna aim for something modern and then with a hints of tropical. You know, being a kid's room, we also want to put some elements of playfulness in there.
Yeah, we haven't bought any bed for her yet, so that will be perfect, and a place to put her toys and books.
The IKEA designer walked us through the process of creating Skylar's room, and little by little, our vision started to come to life. By the end of the appointment, we had a full shopping list of IKEA finds, and it was finally time to get started. Where's the baby? Skylar!
What is Skylar doing? Buying stuff for her pink bedroom.
We're here today in IKEA, and I feel like we've been saying that for the past couple of weeks now because we've been here for almost every day. It's aisle 12, bin 76. Over there. Going to be a long walk.
Okay. I think we'll just stay here. Bye, Dad.
Bye.
Go with Dad.
It's here, babe.
Finally, we can wash our clothes.
It's finally here. So believe it or not, the vacuum was not the biggest purchase that we've made so far in the last couple of weeks. The last couple of weeks we've been doing laundry outside, which is quite the hassle. But today that changes because we have our washer dryer delivered today. Or so we thought. So this seems like a great addition to our living room. Things didn't really go as planned today. We were supposed to be installing these washer and dryers up on the second floor, but we had a miscalculation on the door. That's why I think they're just gonna live here in the living room for quite a while. Good thing we ordered from Costco. We were able to switch to a smaller washer and dryer free of charge. We're really at the point in life where we're excited about laundry. Okay, back to building Skylar's room. This one? Okay, you have that. So heavy.
So you guys seen a little bit of Skylar's room in the previous vlog, and now we wanted to give more details about the room. So the measurements of the room is 8 feet by 7 feet, and the height is 8 feet as well. It's not a big room, so we have to be careful of all the furnitures that we're going to put there. But I think it's a perfect size for this little one, right?
No.
She wants a bigger one.
You want a bigger room?
And as I mentioned in the beginning, it's going to be a long-running series of decorating this house. We're likely not gonna finish Skylar's room today, but at least we're gonna have the majority of the furniture done. Ready to see your bed? Here it is! Ta-da! Okay, you can lay down on it now. Just kidding! We have to build it first. It's kind of like an interactive activity for Skylar, hey?
Yes. Start them young in building IKEA furnitures.
Why even buy interactive toys when you can get them to build IKEA furnitures? One down. Excuse me. I don't think it goes there. Not all the holes have to be filled. Excuse me, ma'am. You must follow instructions, ma'am.
Skylar, your bed. Yay!
What's next?
What's next?
What's next? This is your bed. You can lay down on it now. Not yet. Just kidding.
It was also perfect timing because in IKEA, there's a sale going on right now that if you spend $75, you get $25 back. And if you spend $125, you get $35 back. You can only get the coupon on Thursdays when you dine with them. So that's what we did. We collected the coupon and we purchased the items last Thursday. Are you excited? Is it nice?
Yeah.
Are you going to sleep here tonight?
Nice.
I kind of like that all of our walls came in white here in the house because it kind of... Excuse me! I was saying that I kind of like that all of our walls here in the house came as white. That kind of gives us like a blank canvas where we could put some paint on it, some texture, and especially Skylar's wall right here. We're planning to do like a small feature wall, but we just haven't really picked out the wallpaper just yet, so that's still to come. But so far, before anything, I think we gotta just make sure that all of these small little furnitures are built. I think we're gonna start a new channel, building IKEA furnitures with Skylar. She seems to love it. There.
All complete? What's next?
Well, how many toddlers could say that they built their own bed? Ta-da! Whoa! All done? Is this ready?
Not this.
Not yet. We don't have the mattress yet. No. Good job! High five. Not a big closet, hey?
Just the right size for Skylar's clothes. So among the rooms here in this floor, this one has the smallest closet. So we're going to see how the wardrobe is going to fit in here.
Yeah, we actually bought an IKEA AURDAL, which was on sale. Thankfully.
Good thing the AURDAL closet is customizable.
So as you guys could see, we also removed the shelving on Skylar's closet, which kind of left out some holes, unfortunately. But we got a quick fix for that. Good job!
So that's gonna be it for the first episode of our home decorating series. We're going to build this home one room at a time, and we're glad that you guys are here with us.
What's this? I need to say something! There's still a lot to do with Skylar's room. We need to put some colors, some texture, and a lot more furnitures. But I think we got the base done.
Do you love your room?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, you were so helpful. Yeah?
How come?
How come?
Skylar
you
built
helped
the furnitures.
Skylar built the furnitures? You twisted the screws, right?
Yeah, you sorted the screws, you put them in the holes.
Okay, For now, like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!